어디야?
Hey, don't stop it, pop it. Teen Top, we gon' rock it, drop it, top it. Hey, don't stop it, pop it. Teen Top, we gon' rock it, drop it, top it. Hey, don't stop it, pop it. Teen Top, we gon' rock it, drop it, top it. Hey, don't stop it, pop it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
We're going to have 6 volumes. Okay. So, all right. I have some winning tickets. And the first one is 006552. 006552. Does anybody have 006552? Okay, we'll put that aside for a minute. Last call, 006552. And the next winning ticket is 006357. 006357. Just 006357, we have a winner! Yay! 006357. Congratulations. The next winning ticket is 006370. Yay, we have a winner. 006370.
All right, Phil, it's got one for our side.
All right. Congratulations. And the next is 006 Congratulations. And the next winner is 006569. 006569. Last call 006569. Do we have a winner? Yay! Okay. Yay! We have another winner. All right. This one, that one. All right. The next winner is 006340. 006340. Yay! There you go. Gift card from Safeway. Woohoo! That's a good one. And the last winner is... Okay, we're shaking it up. All righty. 006434. 006434. 006434. Anybody have that one? Alrighty, we'll pick again. Somebody feeling lucky? 006314. 006314. Do we have a winner? Yay! 006314. One more. A gift card from Safeway. 006519. 006519. 006519. Anybody have 519? Going once? Going twice? Okay, we're going to pick another one.
Alrighty. See how many people you have served tonight.
All right. 006572. 006572. Yay! We have another winner. All right. Safeway gift card. Happy Thanksgiving. Congratulations. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you very much. Big round of applause for all the servers here tonight, helping everybody out, and I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Thank you. And now the next performing group will be the string quartet.